afoot. Dito sa Canada, hindi ibig sabihin na marami kaming pera. Kasi
Wala ko yung mga drawings.
Hello everyone, we're going on site today. I'm wearing a jacket, I'm not sure why. I think it's because it's about to rain. These are my first ever Doc Marten shoes. They're my favorite.
alam nyo ba ito? $40. Napulot ko to. Well, napulot namin ng mister ko to sa may White Rock. May kasamang wallet. Ang total niya is $45. Ngayon, yung nahanap namin yung wallet na yun, we stayed there for at least an hour na kung titingnan namin kung halimbawa may maghanap ng wallet nila, para maisoli namin. Pero, after waiting for a while, walang dumadating, so we decided to keep it. I gave him the wallet kasi kulay brown siya na Coach. Tapos, yung cash, I decided na, well, you know what, why not just donate it to someone na nangangailangan. Yung $5 so far na ibigay na namin doon sa homeless na naghihintay sa superstore. Tapos, mayroon pa akong 40 to go. May nakita akong homeless uli, bibigyan natin ng money. We don't actively give to individual people, lalo na yung mga nangihingi sa video kasi hindi naman ganun karami ang fans namin. Although nagtatrabaho kami dito sa Canada, hindi ibig sabihin na marami kaming pera. Kasi kung pagbibigyan namin yan lahat, ang dami-dami. And paano ka makakapili kung sinong bibigyan mo? Diba? Oh my God, palagi ako nauuntog. Okay, tanggalin natin ito. Alis na tayo.
Tao lang tayo, nagkakamali. Alam niyo ba, kanina, tinawagan ko yung general contractor kasi nawawala ko yung mga drawings. Kala ko nawawala ko. Yung pala binigay ko na. My God. Buti na lang tinawagan ko kundi. Can you imagine kung ma-pride ako tapos hindi ako nagtanong?
Alam niyo ba, lagi akong may baong spare clothes sa trabaho in case I have to go on site. At this time, nainitan talaga ako and I need to go somewhere so nagpalit ako ng damit. Naaalala niyo ba yung video ko na frustrated ako dahil sabi ko paulit-ulit ang trabaho, kakasimpleng bagay, pinapaulit-ulit pa. Ito yun.
So from here to there, masyado daw malaking gap, making it very easy for people to sneak in. Now I'm looking for a solution without complaining.
Just goes to show na kahit saan ka magtrabaho, kahit dito pa sa Canada yan, you will get frustrated at some point and it's normal. Kaya nga work, diba? Don't get me wrong, I still love Canada though. I love working here, I love living here. Kaya nga nandito pa kami, diba? For almost 20 years, nandito pa kami. And we are still thriving.
Wala naman ako nahanap ng solusyon. Yung measurement niya is parang a foot mula doon sa the bottom of the gate. Masyado siyang malaki. Kung papatungan ko pa ng asfalto yung daan, it means I can only do as much kasi may mga curb doon. And if I may iwan yung size. Anyway, I'm not gonna explain. I'm not gonna bore you with the details. Yun lang, I'm just sharing you. Minsan napakababaw na problema, kailangan ng solusyon. And then minsan sa sobrang simple niya, it's so hard to find a solution. You know that?
Hit that subscribe button or give me a follow if you're seeing this on TikTok. And give me a like na rin. Have a beautiful day.